Here we have the new Sony VAIO. It's a VGN NW20 ZF/S. The processor is an Intel Core Duo 2 processor, 2.2 GHz. It's a display of 15.5 inches, memory of 4 GB, hard drive 320 GB, and it comes with Windows 7 Home Premium. It also comes with McAfee, which I will be getting rid of first. I'll just open the seal now. First impressions: you get the handbook, a warranty sheet, and a quick start guide. Just put those to one side for now. There's some slight instructions on the laptop case. Which I've followed to lift it up. Now I have it here. It's fairly light, lighter than the previous version. Let's open that now. Here we go. Just get rid of that for now. As you can see, the VAIO is still in the centre. The design slightly changed from the previous version. I think slightly more rugged. If I just open it. I'll get the protector for the screen. Put that to one side as well. And here we go. The new, as you can see, the buttons are white, slightly imitating the old MacBooks. It's a very nice mouse pad here. It's kind of made out of glass rather than the usual keypads we have. Still 2 buttons as well. Now I'm going to press on. Not charged. Here you have a power socket and adapter. Put these two up. It's really tight and get rid of that. Nice Velcro strap around the adapter. Seems to stay on. Just plug this in. As you can see, the ports on the side. Should hopefully start. Take 2. battery in. There we go. Try putting it in now. It's on. We get the VAIO logo to start off with. Starting Windows now. There we go, folks. I think we'll leave it there now. Might take a while. Thank you much for watching. Bye.
Yeah!